Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your TV and confirming Wi-Fi connectivity. This avoids later network hops. Open Airconsole on the Smart TV app or via the TV browser and note the 4-digit pairing code it displays. Next, unlock your smartphone and connect it to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If you must, temporarily disable VPNs. Once done, open the Airconsole app or website on your phone so you can enter the code and prepare to pair devices. Now you pair controllers. On your phone, go to Airconsole.com/connect or use the Airconsole app and type the TV's 4-digit code. The phone will show a controller UI, grant only necessary permissions, avoid camera access unless a game requests it. After you enter the code, watch the TV lobby. The phone should appear as an active controller. If multiple players join, assign profiles or names so each controller maps correctly. Once all controllers show up, select a game from the TV menu and load it. Begin play by choosing a game on the TV and pressing a controller button to join. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate or select avatars. If you experience lag, make sure phones and TV are near the router, switch to the 5 GHz band for lower interference, and close background apps on phones. If controllers won't connect, restart the Airconsole app on both TV and phone, re-enter the 4-digit code, and try a different browser. This usually resolves pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.